Okay, I am gonna do, I guess the ones that I mentioned before, the 1, 2, 3, 4 were all on the front. Now we're moving to the back. I'm not gonna do number 1, you should know how to do it. Back number 2, I'm gonna do both A and B together. A asks me to graph f of x equal to 5 to the x, and its inverse, f inverse of x equal to log base 5 of x. So, start like this. This is relatively easy. It's really here just to set you up for the next problem. You know that an exponential graph goes like that. This is not to scale. This is 0, 1. Then I do 5 to the first, so that's at 1, 5. And then I'll have a point over here of 2, 25. I've asked you in this year to do at least one negative one, so that point right there is negative 1, 1 over 5. I'll do the other one in red. Log base 5 of x goes like this. That's not, I cannot do. Let's see what I can do here. Go back to here. So log base 5 of x goes like this. It's got a vertical asymptote that corresponds with this thing's horizontal asymptote. And I just switch all the points. So I get 0, blah, 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 blah. I get 1, 0, 5, 1, 25, 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and write one over here of 125, 3. Alright, I'm going to leave that there and talk about the next one I'm going to graph. I'm actually going to, there's going to be some jam space in here, so I apologize. But actually, maybe I'll go to green. Okay. Next, you want to graph y equals 4 log base 5 of x plus 10 plus 5. So what I'm going to do is I kind of taught you this process. I'm going to take care of the stretch factor first. And I'm going to do that by writing in green the corresponding parts. So I take the y's and I multiply them by the 4. This one stays at 0, this one goes to 4, this one goes to 8, this one goes to 12. You should see that pattern. That's linear. Now I'm going to go like this, draw my graph. First thing I'm going to do is draw dotted line for the vertical asymptote. Everything's going to move over 10, so this guy is x equal to negative 10. The first point is going to be 10 left of this number right here, so that's negative 9. And then I'm going to take the 0 and add 5 to it. So that gives me this point right here of negative 9, 5. I think this is going to get a little messy. So I'm going to go up like this, draw my art shape in, and now fill in the rest. I'm going to get another point in here, corresponds with this. It's going to go left 10 from there, which puts me at negative 5. And then I'm going to go up 5 from this. Sorry, I'm going to use this tells me the up 5, and I do that from this value, which is 4, so that puts me at 9. Then same process, 15, 13, and the last one is going to be 125 minus 10 is 115, 12 plus 5 is 17. That's that's that.